Oh, he's at
I got him.
Airport side. You see him, Marty. You see him. Get him in the car.
Get in, Eugene. Get in. Get in. Quick.
You're after me.
All right, then put your hands up before I shoot you.
The cops dipped off. Sir, on Marty, the
He's back underwater. He's back underwater. He's not. He won't get my car.
Boat docks. Gee. That's a shame. Oh, bro, the water's cool.
Mother pushing 90 years old and swimming like he's in his prime. Oh, Eugene, bro, we had you. You started going on the phone, bro. I had you, bro. You started touching the phone.
You started.
Keep flying the heli.
It was Reed. He called me that little prick.
Police, fast.
I couldn't, bro. I thought you were calling back up.
We're not gonna get out of here. Look, there's only one.
Oh,
Get out.
Yeah, check it. The cops coming to you. Should we put him in the heli instead?
Hands up.
Oh, okay.
Get out of the car. Hands up.
I'm gonna take him out.
What are you doing here?
Oh, Eugene told me to come pick him up.
Knock him out.
Cool. Who you with?
Eugene, you need to start
Diamond
listening.
Dogs.
Just drive out.
Perfect.
Drive out. It's only one. Just drive out.
Come with me.
Okay. I don't know
Yo,
what's
I got Reed here.
What's he doing here?
Eugene called him.
Eugene, yeah, that's what. See,
Oh, actually, I called Eugene.
Wait, get Reed again, no?
Yeah, he's in my car. He's in my car.
He just told me to come pick him up here.
Good shit, boy.
Perfect.
All right, we're taking him
Hello.
outside.